that you identify for me the responsible authority within the family who will come and take the message, who will hand over the message together with the envelope of 10 million Uganda shillings.
John, you wake up, Tata Sali.
Thank you very much.
Family, again, our Vice President of Funobaka Wenjolo. Family.
Yoweri Kaguta Museveni.
Family.
General Yaganyuka. Omukulu agambye nti bagenda kwogera ne President okulaba nga kilomita z'essatu ez'oluguudo zikolebwa okubatuukako banaabakola oluguudo olugenda e Masaka. Ekyo bw'ati bw'ayogedde.
All right. Vice President wamala okwasa obubaka family tujja kuyimirira tuyimbe ennyimba z'eggwanga reverse order oluvannyuma
let's get standing for the anthems.
tujja kuserengeta nga tulebera kwaya mu St. Francis.
That request. For the people of Rakai and Greater Masaka, His Excellency the President will soon be visiting all of you again. He will be coming to visit you together with all other areas of Uganda to check on our household incomes and projects. I heard the people clapping for the Minister for Emioga. The President is coming to check on it across the whole country. We, the leaders, will be coming with His Excellency the President. And specifically me, who got this name in Rakai here. My name is called Nangobi when I'm in Uganda. Nze Nangobi, nje kuda eno, basabe okuwogira President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni mu kalolo ka 2026. DCs, presidential advisors present, the chairperson LOC 5 and all your councillors and mayors. Most importantly, and in a special way, the bereaved family of Tamale Joseph Merundi, the House of Prayer Ministries led by Pastor Aloysius Mujingo, all the security chiefs present, senior government officials, and in a special way staff from the President's office and State House, the media fraternity, all of service and secretary to cabinet, the honorable members of parliament present, the former Deputy Chief Justice Stephen Kabuma, the Right Reverend
Kituufu
bw'anaamaliriza
tulabe ekirala kigenda mu maaso.
okay.
Bw'anaamaliriza tulaba
Vice President wa Uganda, retired Major Jessica Alupo Epel, amaze okuganzika ekimu ku kesi ya Tambala ebirungi.
omubaka wa parliament wa district Katakwi
Katakwi,
omukyala
MP ow'e Katakwi.